So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be telling you how to create an YouTube channel. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you have to go over. You can see this place, right? This sorry, wait. You can see this button. This logo over here. It will be if you go with, because I have already a YouTube channel. I have already given a icon over here, so it is showing like this. So you have to go, go over here, and you have to just, since you don't have any account over here and I have my account, so I will show you that uh, in this account. Okay, in this account I don't have a YouTube channel. In this account I don't have a YouTube channel, see. But still I have a logo. I have given a logo, a photo over here, so it is again showing that the picture is showing over here. So but not to worry, you will just see over here something else. If what is the first letter of your word, you just have to click over here and you have to go your channel. Okay, so after you go over your channel, here you will see you have to, in this place you have to write your name, the channel name. Okay, you have to write your channel name. Such uh, over here I it is my name, I'm Paunadeep Paul. So but my channel name is uh, tech trooper. So but this I am just showing you just for example. This is my, I don't have any channel in this Gmail account. Okay, so it's this Gmail account name is Paunadeep Paul, so it's just showing Paunadeep Paul. But what will be the name, the name of your channel, which you will decide. You have to, i mean you have to type it over here. You have to type it over here. Okay, you have to write it over here. Then after you write it, you have to just click on the save button. And after you can even apply your picture, the channel logo or photo over here. And after you do everything, you just have to click on this create channel. This is called create channel over here. You just have to create the channel over here. Okay, after you create channel, let me just show you how to create the channel. You just create a channel and simply the channel is created. See, uh, the channel is created and it is telling no subscribers because I have just created this channel. And sorry, and let me show you. Here it is coming that create a video, share with anyone, everyone. This create button over here, this create button over here is just to given to make videos for creating, for video creation. Okay, so you don't, it is not necessary or mandatory that you have to create video from here only. You can collect videos, you can make videos from your screen recorders, or even if you are filming yourself, you can go for the good video cameras or even your phone cameras. After you record your videos, you can simply edit those videos in your KineMaster, which is a very good editing software app. You can just go for that, and after you edit those videos, you can just simply upload that. And what is the best option, the best way to upload your videos, I will be covering that in our second videos. Okay, so but now you just watch what to do the next steps. Here you can see edit channel. Okay, this one, edit channel. Just click on this edit channel. After you see what you have to, the best, let it come. See, here it is showing keep all my subscription private. What is this, what is this telling over here? Here it means that when you have seen that whenever you open any channel, there after beneath, matlab under, under the channel name, just example, this is my channel name, Paunadeep Paul. Okay, this is my channel name. So just example, just any of the channel, under this name there will be written their subscribers, the number of subscribers they have, it will be written under this name. Okay, I mean under this name it will be written over there. So if this option is activated right now, see this option is activated, that means that subscriber number that the channel will have, it won't be showed. In some of the channels you have seen that the names are written over there but the subscribers are not written over there. You wonder why that they are like that. I mean you might think that they don't have subscribers, but how they are getting so much of views? But that is very wrong, that is very wrong. They have I mean they have very high number of very greater number of subscribers, but they have kept their subscription numbers private. Okay, this private, so I mean they have kept this button on, so the subscriber numbers doesn't show over there. And here this will be better option. This is another option to private your playlist. I mean all the playlist you have in your phone, in your YouTube, that will be kept private. But if you want to create an YouTube channel, the previous playlist which you have made already in that particular account in which you are going to make a YouTube channel, you have to clear all those playlists. You have to delete every playlist, so that after you make great number I mean high number of many number of videos, and if I mean you just created a series of videos, and those series you can create a playlist and you can save those videos, that series of videos in that playlist, so that if you keep this option again, if you keep this option on, then the subscribers won't be able to see your playlist. Okay, the subscribers won't be see your playlist. So it is a very important part of this channel making process, this privacy part. Make sure you switch off you switch off these two buttons. Okay, so that your subscribers can see your subscriptions and can see your playlist. Okay, after it's over, you can just write your description. I mean what kind of videos you make, what kind of videos you generally make over here. Okay, what kind of type of videos you generally make over here. I mean in your account, what kind of videos you make. Also you can add your details and other, I mean other things which defines you and defines your channel. Okay, and then comes the channel art. You can give, I mean you can see this part. Okay, sorry guys, let me show you again. Wait guys, sorry, edit channel. Yeah, you can see this part. Sorry, you can see this area, this shaded area here. After you click on this camera button, see on this camera button, if you click over here, okay, if you click over here, you can give your photos. You can either take photo or choose your photo from your gallery and other folders. It is a channel art. I mean here you will give the I mean the most, it's just for the decoration of your channel, nothing else. It's just for the decoration of your channels. Okay, next comes the in this place, this is called, here you will give your channel logo, which mainly shows which kind of videos you make, and that is the thing. And that logo you will give over here should be matching to your videos which you upload. I mean as I upload tech related videos, you can just see to my logo. There I have written Tech Troopers. It's just relating to my videos, what kind of videos I make, that relates to my logo, channel logo. So you should remember that what kind of logo you should use, that should be related to your uploading videos. Okay, this was the all part you should remember when creating your YouTube channel. Creating your YouTube channel is very easy. after this is the last step for creating your channel. Then I mean, you have already created a YouTube channel. Just follow these steps, whichever step I have told you over here in this video. It is the simplest way, and that's it. Your video is, I mean, your channel is ready, and start uploading your videos. And what will be the effective way of uploading a video? It will be, I will be making a video on the second video about this topic, that how you can upload effective videos to gain more viewers and subscribers. Okay, so please subscribe my channel for knowing information about tech related tech related services and YouTube related queries. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and hope you like my video. If you like it, give a thumbs up, and kindly subscribe my channel. Stay safe. Bye.